All right, so let's get into it. I mean, if you've been on social media all lately, you have definitely seen this thing.
Oh, yeah.
The Kodak PIXPRO C1. It's everywhere. It has that perfect retro compact look, and the price is just so tempting.
It absolutely is. It taps right into that, that early 2000s digital camera nostalgia that's huge right now. It looks like it's straight out of a time capsule.
Exactly. But that's the big question we need to answer, right? We have to cut through the hype for you.
Mhm.
Is this an actual functional camera, or is it just
Yeah.
another plastic gadget that's just coasting on that famous Kodak name?
We definitely need that reality check. And, when you first pick it up, the story starts to tell itself.
Okay.
It is extremely lightweight, which, for carrying around is great, but it feels almost too light.
Yeah, that's often a bit of a red flag with hardware, isn't it? What makes that lightness a problem here?
Well, it's the build. The body is it's overwhelmingly plastic. You're not getting any of that sturdy, durable feel you'd get from, say, a higher quality compact.
So it lacks that robustness.
Completely. And that really signals who this is for. This is made for beginners, for casual users who just want that fun aesthetic, not for pros.
Got it. So if the outside is, let's say, entry level, what's going on under the hood? That small 13 megapixel sensor, what can it actually do?
And this is where it gets really interesting because the performance is, well, it's highly conditional.
Tale of two cameras.
Exactly. You take it outside into bright, direct sunlight, and it's okay. It performs fine. The colors are decent. Details are fair.
And you get the look.
You get the look, that nostalgic, kind of fuzzy, early digital aesthetic. It's perfect for fun, casual shooting.
But I'm sensing a but coming.
Yeah.
With a small sensor, the performance must just tank when the light fades.
It drops off a cliff. The sources are really clear on this. The second the lighting gets even a little bit dim, the photos get grainy. They get soft.
Just full of noise.
Riddled with noise. And that is such a crucial detail to know before you buy it. You either need bright sun or you have to use the flash. There's no in between.
Okay, what about one of the main selling points I see everywhere? That flip-up selfie screen. That seems perfect for quick vlogs or self-portraits.
It is. I mean, it functions. It does what it's supposed to do. But there's a technical limit there, too.
Of course there is.
That screen just isn't very bright. So you take it outside, into the sun you need for a good photo.
And you can't actually see what you're shooting. That'd be so annoying.
It gets old fast. And speaking of limitations, the battery life is only average. A casual photo session, fine. But the second you start recording video, it drains quickly.
All right, so let's pull all this together. We have to answer the listener's core question. Is this product actually legit, or is it just cheap electronics with the classic logo slapped on?
No, it's a real camera. The product is not a scam. It's just an exercise in managing expectations.
Right. It's not a professional camera.
Not even close. And it's
Oh.
not delivering anything near what your smartphone can do in terms of quality. Its entire purpose, its reason to exist, is for people who want a fun, retro-looking gadget for simple, casual pictures.
So if you're someone who prioritizes that nostalgic vibe and, the convenience of a little camera over actual image clarity,
Then this fits the bill perfectly.
it's for a specific niche.
Absolutely. And that, I think, raises a really important final thought for you to consider. If the whole appeal is that retro aesthetic, what happens when you compare the C1's genuinely noisy, low-light photos to, say, the highly filtered, artificially retro photos you can get from an app on your phone?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Do you want the authentic, low-quality experience, or do you just want the clean digital imitation? That's something to really think about before you hit purchase.